salmon. This is the end result of our Texas style Philly sub. I want you to see how wonderful it is. It's a chicken sub and it is marvelous. The chicken is made with real thin, so you can have a good sandwich with it, with bell peppers, red peppers, jalapeno peppers, and sauteed inside to put this macaroni and jack cheese on to make it taste so good, so delicious. Oh my goodness, it is so much. The cover blade makes it so good. The hickory smoked that put in it makes it so good. The creamer that put in it makes it taste so good. This sandwich is fabulous, y'all. You will love this wonderful, wonderful stuff. And the vegetables are not overcooked. They're just right. You bring this out to game day or game night, they're going to say, Mom, we get this wonderful sandwich. I got this from Sandra on soulfoodqueen.net. She always coming up with something. Yes, indeed. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. And thank you for coming to my channel. After this presentation, I will show you how to make this wonderful, wonderful sandwich. This wonderful chicken sandwich is so delicious, y'all. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe. And this recipe is what I call a Texas style Philly chicken sandwich. Yes, indeed. This is a sub sandwich that's made out of chicken instead of beef. I think you're going to enjoy this sandwich because it's full of flavor and it tastes magnificent. So we're using jack cheese. We're using a jack cheese, and we're going to put this in this little chicken here. We're going to have our chicken real scrangy, like thin, real thin. We want it to be real thin because we're going to put this in a sandwich. So you want it kind of thin. So what we're going to do now is going to show you what we're going to do about what we're going to do with this Texas style Philly chicken sandwich. We'll be right back after I wash my hands. All right, what we're going to do now is add our season. And our seasons we're going to use cumin. And cumin to it just like that, y'all. Just a little cumin. We're going to use onion powder. We're going to use Southwestern Chipotle season, because it's Texas style, y'all. We're going to use some liquids, hickory smoke, just like that. We'll use some garlic powder. Now you can use garlic, crushed garlic if you like, but I'll just put some garlic powder in there. We're going to use a little of chicken, my favorite, y'all, my chicken bouillon cubes. And then we're going to add a little steak sauce, just a little steak sauce, just a little. Just like that. That's going to make it taste good. So we're going to blend this all together like that. And while we blend it, we're going to make sure that every piece of the chicken has some of this sauce on it. And it smells fabulous, y'all, fabulous. I got this Kroger steak sauce, and it tastes real good, y'all. I love it. So Kroger's have some good products. I'm not trying to promote Kroger's, but everybody shop at Kroger's, and Kroger's is really fantastic. Okay, we got the jack cheese here. We have jalapeno pepper, green pepper, onions, and red peppers. So we're going to put this in a pan, and we'll be right back and show you what we do next. All right, I'm frying my chicken strips little at a time. And man, they smelling so good. This is great for the football season when they sit around and want something to eat and looking at the football on Sundays or whatever day they come on. This is a great sandwich. This is a great sandwich to eat. Po' boy, whatever you want to call it. I want to call it a Philly po' boy, Texas style Philly po' boy, but you can call it anything you want to call it, just long you get it done. Now it smells delicious, and I'm just gonna let it finish cooking, and I'll be right back and see what it looks like next. I'm just doing small batches at a time. because this chicken is so moist. It's taking all the oil and substance out. That smells so good. We'll be right back. All right, our chicken is done, and it smells and tastes delicious, y'all. You know how to taste it, because it is fabulous. It has that southwestern taste with that hickory smoke and and the other garlics and garlic powder. All that mixed together tastes so good, and the cumin. So what we're going to do now is add our bell peppers and our peppers and the onions. Just like this, and add it in here. They're all ready. They're all ready to saute, and we're going to add the rest of the meat. Look at I feel like that, y'all. I love all those onions. You can't let those onions go. So we're going to saute this, but I like mine to be a little crunchy, a little bit more vitamins in it. I don't like for it to be all cooked up. You want it to taste real tasty. So I'm going to add some little garlic with this. Little garlic, just like that, y'all. Just like that. Little garlic with that. Little oil in the pan. And I'm going to add just a little bit more Knox chicken bouillon in it. Just a little bit more. Not a lot. Just a little to give the onions a taste. Just like this. Oh, this smells so delicious, y'all. So delicious. Let's see where I cut my onions so they be like that. Ooh, that is so small. I cut them in a little wedge like that so they could be separated like that. Oh, it smells so good. Now, I'm almost ready to put the chicken in. Almost ready. Almost ready to put the chicken in because I don't like my vegetables to be too done. All right, I add the chicken and I'm blending it together with the onions and the peppers. Man, this smells so delicious. Oh my goodness. You will love this sandwich. You will love this. It is so delicious. Oh, it smells so good. Make sure you get all the onions and the peppers blended together. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's all blended. So what I'm going to do now is add the Monterey Jack cheese on top. Just like this. Put it all on top. Now you can use any cheese you like. I like now Monterey Jack. And you can use any cheese you like. You can use provolone, you can use cheddar, you can use any cheese you like. So we're going to let this sit on this and let it melt. And we'll be right back. Alright, the cheese has melted. And look how beautiful it looks. That Monterey Jack cheese is delicious. And here's the sandwich right here, y'all. The sandwich is right here. Look at it. It's sitting right there waiting for y'all to bite on it. Look at it. Oh, the sandwich is delicious. I'm telling you, this is a great cowboy game food. When you're playing the games and looking at the Cowboys and whoever they're playing, you bring this out there to your husband or your boyfriend or your family and see what they'll say. What is this? Look how beautiful it is. Look at the cheese coming out of it. Oh my goodness, it tastes and smells so delicious. This is Sally. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and get these little simple recipes. These recipes are so simple. You could just do them in a minute or two. Yes, indeed. Try this Texas style Philly chicken Subway sandwich or whatever you want to call it, sub or sandwich, whatever, because it is fabulous. It's fabulous, y'all. It's fabulous. Look at the peppers. It's delicious, y'all. This is Sally. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Look at that beautiful. Look at that beautiful. Isn't that beautiful?